Okay, FM 101.7.
Mira, Adumako Befi, communication team member, former communication director of the New Patriotic Party. Memo watching.
Mejo so.
No radio like a cramamia.
Yes.
Now, Boko,
Oh, Father. In a media between.
Amen. You my bound China. What's ye, dear? Wankasa unia lawyer Edugita Makulukaye. Na asia semni bibiri ho a oka no de abeba aban amoteso mu amudi aban na ene de keka ho na osi nkyiremu bi ho a obekiremu wada ma mentio
Kwa me da CP anopei mamintia omagane nyina titu omo mutie eye OKFM yen koso nse nyame asomdwe mfa ma oman no yema yen kasa mu titu ne se ye ne yenya dum bia e kasa radio so anofe bia yemmon pae nso nta omampani na bi de akire ene asoafo na ki bebe waduri nkade na ope oman ne hunti onam wiase afa na nyina ebo ye ho zawuru se na be ye oman ne betumi drum pempen so bala ni ji samni se na kufu ado de otu kwan yo de bi ba o ti e fra no kro de bi ba otu kwan a oton ga na yi nti no e fra no kro de bi ba we yi awo kuru no you know so on fansa pan e mother and that is the difference kwame asamwa odi to Eduji Tamakula nim ni se yewura ye gabi ochire da ko wa kire asem bi o Facebook asem bi nyina ni se na yewura mama onamo ba ntuo ni nyina no na se da no kire se na ni so so lusu ye na so yewura Eduji Tamakula no so kasa edema yewura mama enti kanu kwemu pa as a lawyer of his stature understanding na ka ubi yanwa uyi personality attack isi chai because no we call it say ad hominem and I say a dear friend say name calling a propaganda throughout his discourse your ka bia ye gabi and now they know ejinem no kan sem na wakan sem so mebrea menya botre na ma kire mu ye pa but the di kan no hwenia we say na Akufo-Addo eba office no Embra na onkuta message kura no ya win by 1 million na ye den embra waba office ya wie no yetimi enya esoti ye bedru 500 aya mi se minia you are trying to apply logic here but anya juma common sense you suggest to minia ne say Ghana habatu no secretary bia no ya dia vote esoti that is point number 1. Odi anu etu nchenya. Se sad worker if the logic is trying to bring an answer person kan wasem no. Se ya bibia ye nyina so dia. Eye den na 2012. Wo mu weni aba no. Na 2016 no. Wo mu lose over 1 million. Enu so gina wo kire se nsam ahodo anu wo mu ka. Eso wo maye we nya na yem tro kire Ghana fo ana. Eduji is a lawyer. Eduji o person de logic ba mu dia. Washia yenum binom won trase na wonwini we say no so ehu emfanto enjai ehu na yenhwe se wo so wini 2012 na 2016 within a space of 4 years after 8 years no lose over 1 million there this logic on probi so the no so eto ntanya eyami nwa as a lawyer esa wo kasa without any fact say gabi bedwane afri ne nemu and asem no ya underline it. As a lawyer, so name the implications there. Say Gabi be free name there. Minim.
Send me bisano cross say.
Yes, I listen to you, Kwame. Say no, you are more than a lawyer. Oh, bisano. Send some of our baseless allegation, irresponsible allegation.
Court in the bedside. Was it court yet they acquire in Siaga?
The minia and ya odi ediji. Say or your lawyer wet his sort, the uncle resigning. Because you are a lawyer, we respect you. Now said no would denigrate it. What catches slur on the image of the judiciary there? He's an apology to the profession. Indeed, NDC, MCD public woman, one sense of reason, as a lawyer, not judiciary, and as a Chief Justice Club, Papa Yami Silano, then 30 years, the foreign by Yami slow to be called Papa, Gokaso, Aquaji Bright. Eduji mutimi di akiri sanse musi akia. Na what try say we don't believe in the
oh but and the obi ankobo pa and the
Anaminia. As per the worker, you can draw inferences. And we can confirm the akiri chief justice e probi ni ade ade a say obi kodinu kobo say obi ka say wakoma no. Obi a won call law school when you love it common sense should have even said the more farm won yim. But we the yamra asem no eso. Gabi begani meboa. Oh, and yes, I be a song. Kwasia de kutasekan. And one also be catch you say Jennifer woman. Eya subsebe. But minia, ne sama work na gratitude. Me aduma ko be fie wo position no. And many more ya me say gabi no. Ye nyina ka ho. Do mama nsi dan ya ma obi o. Wa ma obi aduane ani. So obi fa kire koje ya edugi. Which friend kira friend na friend me obodini. Me di me here we say. Sansa na me mpe sebe ohia mu ntoatoa. And in the other part of Mama Ye, or modern, in any case, Eduji, a person of his teacher. So be pa you be papa. Ya de kwame, ya de papa ka esre, ya de kai. That's a traditional wisdom, it's not there. Amambre mu, Ghana mambre mu no, who you will be papa in Kujirabontain and Coca. A dear bear partner to Mama Ye Gabia, and Wawa. On country, so we see that as I could demand. Anyway. Member with you, you did you say you would be no more, and many more of young quad uncle say. The minimum this is the of a catcher to say. Then as I walk on the energy, also be unconsent. One Casaka who be microphone, when the empty phone so Yama. You would be pie body say, Ghana between Pempens will be a and yes, and this is swamp people in call. And Cobasa said this in the bear ban or betting. Na so we are branching when you saw opportunity na message you be able to buy no kran basis no yinifa na wo kai we dia these are the people also minya bem on beba no Ghana for ho nyire ho wo de no eto nchen ya he say nana achievement ahodo ka yes obeye e wo kusisi nyira no wantimi anyi bi e na Ghana for eto aba kan eto aba eye no eba 500.
Oh, why you sorry? How many you?
I do to make up.
I feel me to Kayanko.
NDP manifesto about them. They look at 107. You can free SHS one thing. Why do you have a chairman of the team? You can't hear
a no say free SHS no. Now MI 2016 no. Ghana for to Abama bear 1 million.
I am building the premise.
Okay.
Because Edru baby, he was erroneously creating the impression, say, "Yeah, can't cry." I mean, to be able to free SHS no, and for that 2 million because I feel the 400,000 a become one within a space of 5 years, and quite 2 million. All things being equal, said, "Grow we are young because of free SHS now." Shanka the social crime, juvenile delinquency, and its associated effects. Yet the more minor. One district, one factory. Yanya Shikwan paid 23 of our manifesto. Yamiatom, they move close to 80. Ekekako Yayef Wejuma. Kwame, passage of information bill, page 137C of our manifesto. NDC can once a month 21 years, Oma Yem Wejuma. Ekufu have less than 2 years. Information bill, Abaye, a law, no. Linear, and say Yedeku at Yaketa. Renovation of railway lines. So we back as a young Quimpa, and then pack down 40 a year, Jumano. Name your compensation. MPP's manifesto pay 77C. Office of the Special Prosecutor, a year paid 135 to 137. You can watch them just to fight corruption. And yet, Jumana, what do you mean putting the economy on track? FDG, power, the economy, young discuss it. Now you will know what you be, you will know your propaganda. Economy, China, I'm challenging you for FDG Tamaku. And not anyone from NDC. So young functions economic indicators, no, you give you 2015. A copy within 2020. Especially say before the COVID, no, young functions. Now young Kwame, Tumso, Yamia Dumum, the Bali young Cafe, and Camille Embony with that. There's a comparatively, no, you have gone so far. Some the hello FM, okay, FM, move from any piece near the Noir. Namun can you do? And yet, despite more than conversations grab we. You a Juma who do you one way. Yeah, John Mama can say any smart businessman will not pay. Yet you will who do Makai. Kwame, and some of those creation of new regions. Yeah, and then your mama got on instigate your mo, and you and your mama, nothing in account of you, and I be 8 years, oh, yeah, what you are doing. And no, you can watch them, I will pay 67 of our manifesto. Provision of modern multi-sport stadia, 165E of our manifesto. You can watch them, who be in the national identification. You rock for Shashi, or the Mamono, 1 year, and less than a year. Ama Yejuma. Restoration of teacher training allowance, stage 112. Restoration of nurses training allowance, stage 118 and 111. Yeah, Yejuma. 1 village, 1 down. 1 month, you know, or Munamia to say, 1 more, your money shop. Now you are money, S. Yejuma. Can't remember so. When we are here, no, what you say? I saw back one second and say, MPP by you. You are not treating your mama. All money one single issue. It's so said. On Wakano committee, our tea, you're reviewing as per Article 71, you know. You're buying in Sika, what you are saying, Canada. I know my penny of Kukwada Cash with the other. But Pamuta, you are for office crown of money, also for Santinemo. Mamma, to be too quiet, you need to be too quiet. Or bad with this canoe, or the coin you are calling. But black and white. In the matter, as compared to the Kukwada, then this is what the year you know. Minia, your Kai Sanko, your Kaipa. Your Kai Sanko, your Kayago Burishu, the PSA. Minia, only a king Kenya. I dear Barcos to serve the city, say, or say, MPP by you see hospital. Ah, Minia, can you see a matter in time? Now, Minia, you are expecting, but for a year, I'm a knowledge, you know, after form. Oh, the year is Anna, M.Y. Funny. This now, your hospital is a hoodwa. You buy, Yamia Tom. You can share ITEP clinic. Beneficiary community. I'm the Minister of Special Initiative. Minia may be Sour Commission or Bojumatapa. Yanka hospitals are a clinics are how do I see here? A year Uber Eastern Regional. You will new job in North. A year Japan Health Center. A year Gadon Construction Limited. All the see Eastern Region. Uber Eastern Region, a Buakwa South. Udumase. Hello, coming.
Who are you?
Yes. A Buakwa South. And also Slovenia. Construction, you know, a Field of Dreams Construction Limited. All the see Over Lower West Akin. A year Kofu Krum. Our Eastern Region. And also Afra Company Limited. Any year. Over a year Northern Region, Nanton. A year Nanton area. A year Hakad Construction Limited. MPP Adaruma. Yesinima Omo. Odi ano etu Kenya. Over Eastern Region. A year Kwaum Prayeso. Kwaum Bisiase. MPPC a health center. Over a year Suhum. A year Kwabene Kumi. Okanta area. Yesibi Ohonum. Over Nkaheseya. A year Botiano. Akwasa Electra area. Yesibi Ohonum. Over Obuasi East, Odumasi New Site, Yesibi Oho. Over German North, Krobia Fro Esiri, Yesibi Oho. Over Northern Region, Bimbula, Eye Makahiri, Yesibi Ohonum. Over Central Region, Adansia Sukwa, Yesibi Oho. Over Eye Upper East, Garu Timpani, Yesibi Oho. Over Plesia Valley, Evuni Valley, Yesibi Fro Yesibi Oho. Over Eye Asante Region, Asante Achen Central, Odumase, Linia Yesibi Ohonum. Over Eye Upper East, Border East, Yuarungu, Yesibi Oho. Over Central Region, Eya Bekwai, Fuano, Yesibi Oho. Over Saraga, Eya Makango, Yesibi Oho. Over Upper West, Laura, Yesibi Obrefo, Bapare, Yesibi Oho. Over Upper East, Eya Busa South, Jedema, Yesibi Oho. Asante Region, Bosunke, Edesia, Kwab Yesibi Oho. Water Region, Buem, Yesibi Oho. And then Yefro Awoma. Over Central Region, Awutu Senya East, Kaswa, Akwele area, Yesibi Oho. Over Eastern Region, Sector Afam Plain, Kumsa, Yesibi Ohonum. Over Volta Region, Akan Constituency, the Desia area, Yesibi Oho. Western Region, Bodi, a year Bodi Town, Ebi Oho. Over Central Region, Susura, a year Timokwa, or Seja, Yesibi Oho. Kwame, when you call me a one district, one warehouse initiative.
Okay. Oh, Debbie, with him. Ebrenti, say what ye, yenim say, yeah. Young quad issues enough for young run up and I issues. No, so name of Saturday, Obi at the other. And of course, Mamma number is the meaning. Not one ball and what then I know who was the Libra. We may be 12 years as MP. One say a polyclinic for Hada. No more cook what they see you. Now, say you're not here for the king to took our set. If you can only be an offense from a town. If you must have a year, and one will be 12 years as MP.
obedi minister, obedi deputy minister, obedi vice president, quarter president, obedi first president. One thing you see your Sabi obedi be you also put down here. Now the other thing you Kwame, as someone who can say, you done achievement we say you know what you have to. Again, thing you want to say here. Many me yagine. They can your party leadership right from national up to the constituency. And I am prima win contest. One of the factors. Young Fadini and Fantri. Now, town for a night. It's been an omedi Italiano. Yet, also, your party members. I am a problem before you didn't know a dozen. Sabi, Obian one more room of building a daco. Young Say and Casa, Mississippi, Yenya or Tino, keep you party delegates. Young Perry Wimbra, and Yao BD Terminal. What you are not at Kenya. Government policies, no, if this so good, if you defense of Mampania, why you good? What make you touch it? Say, Galamsey, say, and Sati Yensu, Quabe and Uko Germania, and they so more day cancer. And Pemper between the engineer, so Galamsey, Yano, Bedru Bedino, Yana Yafono, can sue ban your better, as the Cafono Maya Galamsey, Yano, Roman and Tibetan Suno, and also Kutiaing, and in tea, and Yamano Blossom, Yama Peluca Sasua. This is his bit yao. If you are not any of them, so. Let me know one can say, but you miss say, as a lawyer. So when you're quite so Becassa, so many a friend say, you be a good for your key, you be Gabi key. If you mean here, I will focus more on the positive. To say at the end of this, you know, say Gabi then. Who's okay, you know, what you're wondering. As a sergeant, I did being a vindictiveness, and I want to maybe she's for the among Kada. Woman 79, the election, who will come a free for champion nominee at the election. They who not be who are some of them kind of hunting, and there was so be a procurement narcotic. And no matter that, Abu Ghafili Kotu, and now you Abu Ghafili, no, someone can I'm over saying, and this is not what I say you. Your mama, I told you you're right, cancer Ghana for your receipt. So you're not motivating the uncle, couldn't see a Montin Casada. But I'm telling you, it's a Ghana form fee, and this is your mama that Ghana for the good one. Name Mono MPP, you are here, look after your woman. But the ACN is first year. We are taking a key. You're paying for some margin. And you have never again. See a man, you're beginning years and you're going to say, Chakufa, you are my group, Pensona, and Nampam. The week at a swamp, and you're the same. Edgy, said you. One customer process your mamma to know where you on track what you do, Munkaho. On track to take you to Munkaho. On track you have what in Munkaho. If you are not power, Sabi, what you are not, you are not chicken. On kind that you know. Said yeah, na mama yeno. On kind you represent me say, Edia no dieno. Ya mami, ya ba, ya yakunabi, Edia no dieno. What you here? You live in a glass house and you are throwing stones. MPP, FDG, should count and praise the magnanimity of his excellence and Adam Kwakuado. Now when you're in some of some of us, I mean to be a young Kayanu too. Send a Bible can say Jerusalem, young Kayanu too. No matter the situation, we fight for the party and we fight for the country. Don't have to create your friend, your grandchildren, your small cannot pay you 5 opportunity. Look at the Ocean Mercenary. One law, no Kuran or apply for good one market. So we need facts. What you are now, we need this year. And together, but I thought when you were here, now you are solving how you feel. But politics, no, it has gone into his head. And now your reasoning power is affected. Now what are the chief propagandists? Chief and chief propagandists. Kwame, enko the next item. Hello?
Yeah. Enti, where the next say, Minfa wunsi, Saja, you are back na Mama Wabachirimu.
And I mean to say you are Mama no corruption, washing.
Aye.
Yeah, you are Mama. Yes, Renwa, yeah, we have na corruption the cast you can once a minia. But hello.
We yanko.
Minyo.
Yanko.
Me da se Kwame. Corruption there. NDC people betimi aka e dia to the MPP for so ani say ye corrupt. But it's so interesting say since 1992 abai bia babai mo aya ye catch we corrupt. But the we are saying MPP in the bar, yetimi 2 military share 2 so tino. Yetimi di nipatum. NDC over 60 years on Bermuno. One military share on the pension ni krampo atumwana. Enye no kre. Eye sade akeka and a woka na wo di say nipa. What they are not to Kenya. digital macro. On can just one particular legislative instrument, and rather to fight against corruption. NBC to me come back, ba, and bread be the fight corruption, say all the institutions that fight corruption, MPP are buying right from Kufo and your Kufado and your bar, you increase Sika on budget. Send they can do the work, Minia, Ebejuma. Make a party, Mama, and no, your vice, for the professor, Miss was saying. And NDC government will not make any excuses for corrupt ministers, officials, and office holders generally. We shall promptly investigate allegations of corruption and allow the law to take its own course. NDC Manifesto 2008, page 24. Ekosi says, "Boss Yakunu any other day. Almost can't tell me say one particular legislative instrument. You're with me at the year. Many a year. Near this for Nankasa, Ekadifa Yuramama. Otie General Numensa. Corruption under the leadership of Mama is an epidemic. Here, Tony, Mama's government cannot ensure refund of dubious judgment debt with the same alacrity as it pays out the taxpayers' money. Dr. Tony Edu, that's more kind. Here, near a so a kind of say, the canker of corruption that has engulfed our country has become malignant and dark. President Mama, as those involved in the act appear incorrigible, it is spreading like a tumor. Daily Graphic in its editorial of October 10, 2014. It means I'm Jay. Omabodi and Kabaki say, now by then, sitting president, committee committee said, Mon Shesha, Mia Minipa, Minibu Mino, Namini, corruption above. A year prayer, Abu Anomia, the other committee, no crumple, Ama. Reports now, Matna Professor Miss Wuye, and no crumble for Kika himself, but I know the Ebubino, Yellow. And then apart from Embrawood, why they buy I would do a diabody in here. Whistleblowers Act, Procurement Act, repeal of the Criminal Libel Law, Financial Administration Act, Office of the Special Prosecutor, the Witness Protection Act, the Office of the Special Prosecutor Act, Corporate Restructuring and Insolvency Act, Public Financial Management Regulation, the Right to Information Act, the Companies Act. Many away young people that buy aside that. Minia, and never you about me, and I'm sure I won't any good crime, send your beya. Corruption is a free one. The MPP government, the zip line technology, medical drones program, paperless post system, digitization of GBLE, digital property addressing system, issuance of national ID cards, mobile payment interoperability platform, integrated e-immigration system, e-procurement, e-parliament, e-justice, e-cabinet, interoperability system to integrate government database, digital payment platform, seamless payment system, e-case tracking, e-registration of companies, master digital system, any NHIS mobile membership renewal and authentication project, digitization of passport acquisition system, virtual scholarship application system, smart grade system, and many more. And it should come out. He's talking about corruption. Abandon the two Westmatic committee, my vice president, what may suspect you know. And you will be at the better about this. Matiami do no yen this hero no. And also how does Damako accept it? That's how much you say, yeah, by any politics is generational. Send another down call Kufuado. Any Euro bed as someone, any penny for no, Mama nom, Abambabe nom, or say Chairman Sabuno. One will they will not descend into the jacket. But young Lantiana Yaban, you could not penny be a ditch that near Pessia Casa and Giromano, you know, Bushiaho. Now, young can accredit the city. Now the guy will have something. It's the every Dinimiano Nicono. A Japan wire as a lawyer, or man one single. Now, I see, I say no can why it's you are. Quite mammy friends here, coming here to you now. Hello?
Midube Sina Mamisa, yes, who call Ghana Publishing.
Come on, saying.
Yes, he do call Ghana Publishing.
Yes, sir.
As I know, Matty. Yeah, did it. Huh?
Sorry, now what did you in the graphic now? Baby, Rwana. Unim Kwame. Oh. Oh, man, penny, you be our own. Me, Aduma Kubeti, Eduma, my year, Diabua party, no, anyone no in particular, Unim. Or no, I would see Dino. A dino on yan cement, a dino on yan sensing, a dino on yanadua, a dino on yan pabo and puma, a dino on yan epono. Your first word will be up to a dan by a fellow. ɛno na yɛhwehwɛ ɛtɔm de bi kura no a professor Buzi akase bi sɛ daa ne daa no yɛfa amanfoɔ bi din wei nanso obi a ɔwɔ fam obi a yɛante ne din no the unsung heroes no ɔno no ebi a no ɔdwuma no so yɛnyɛ deɛ nyago biara no ma me na dekwa dansefoɔ so ɔde ma yɛ nnɛ ɔde ma yɛ kyina na ofiri sɛ bɛboa ama 2024 deɛ bɛkɔ anim a onyame nhyira so but yɛn nkɔ baabi foforɔ nkɔ yɛ adwuma a so long as say we have the respect of the party and the blessings of the president we work the patriotism or mine no do the nyamisuro e de nukudie ebe sum amadati say kiri bi mma bi so ba woman smith media can say in the midst of Babylon no ye nya Daniel bi mo no so be ye adwuma na mi say prepare be ye adwuma ti kwame ye ntwen ye nya krata wo hon be ni krade aba eja o na be chief advisor
Matias
bambi ma adwuma ni sabe bia no o de bia ni kakra be ba
ai beba
so for kwame amu na be mi sofo na abiyo mi je do di ye mi kuma se o ja ye mi reche wo ma horo mi ka
Medas Minia. Unshas, bye. Okay, what's the 1.7 in here? You're Admakubefi, communication team member, former communication director of the New Patriotic Party. And I know actually in common.
Okay, FM 101.7.